People walk past posters fast. I'm talking about 3 seconds to decide whether to stop. If your poster looks like a research paper someone printed at 200%, they won't stop. But if it is clear, visual, and well organized, they stop. They ask questions, and suddenly you are having the most valuable conversation of the conference. This video shows you exactly how to get there. The standard layout is 3 columns, title and authors across the top. This is your billboard. Usually we have left column, introduction and background, hypothesis, objective, and methods. Then middle column, results. Right column, more results and discussion. Bottom strip, conclusions, acknowledgements, and references. Readers scan left to right, top to bottom. Don't fight that instinct, because these files are already set to the real poster size, 48 by 36 inches. The font sizes you see in PowerPoint are the actual printed sizes. The title in our template is 72 points, which is readable from about 5.5 feet away. Someone walking past the poster can read your title from the aisle. Section headers are 44 points, readable from 3 feet. Body bullets are 36 points, readable at normal standing distance, about 2.5 feet. Figure captions are 32 points, readable at roughly 2 feet. The rule is simple. If you can read every word standing 2 feet from your screen, it will work on the printed poster. If you are squinting, it is too small. Here we have a bad poster example. This is the hardest lesson. Your poster should have bullets and visuals, not paragraphs. Each section gets 3 to 5 bullet points maximum. If you feel like you need more text, that text belongs in your spoken explanation, not on the poster. The poster is your conversation starter, not your full presentation. Your figures are the center of your poster, not the text. Every figure needs to stand on its own at reading distance. That means no tiny X's, no unclear legends, no default colors. If the viewer has to lean in to read your axis labels, it is too small. Design basics. Use a white or very light background. Busy backgrounds fight your figures. Pick one accent color for your title bar and section headers and use it consistently. Use PowerPoint alignment tools to line up your text boxes. Nothing signals a rushed poster like misaligned columns. Add a QR code in one corner. Link it to your published data or a key paper. Visitors who are genuinely interested can take your work within them in 3 seconds. It costs nothing and it signals professionalism. Here is a real example, built on exactly the structure we discovered. Institutional color header, 3 clean columns, bullet points only, figures with label axes and error bars, and key findings called out in plain language right below each chart. Same research as the bad example you saw at the start. Completely different story. Now, here is one thing our template does for you automatically. The slide is already set to exactly 48 inches wide by 36 inches tall, the standard poster size. You don't need to change anything. Just design your poster, then go to File, Export, Create PDF, and save it. Before you send it to print, open that PDF and zoom to 100%. Read every label, every axis, every caption at actual print size. Check that no figures look blurry or pixelated when you zoom in. If something looks off on your screen at 100% zoom, it will look worse on the printed poster. Fix it now. Reprinting costs money. The poster is not where you put everything you know. It is the visual aid for a 2-minute conversation. Design it to invite questions, not to answer all of them. The best poster is the one that makes someone walk up and say, "Tell me more about this." Thank you, and I hope this is helpful.